The biggest objection I hear from people with a Facebook page is how on earth am I going to find time to post? Maintaining a Facebook page can be really time consuming. With the publishing tools for pages, you can pre-schedule posts so that you don't have to be on the page at all times creating new content day to day. You can easily create a post and schedule it to publish on your page at a date and time that you choose. Let's take a look at how this works. Here I am on the Land and Hotel page. To get started publishing your posts, you'll head to the Publishing Tools option, and that's on the menu to the far left-hand side of your screen. This Publishing Tools dashboard is going to give you a snapshot of everything that's happening on your page with relation to posts. It's here you can see every post that has been published, and then on the left underneath is Scheduled Posts. This is where you can pre-schedule your posts to be posted at a date and time you choose. Below that are any drafts that you've already created that are either in draft or ready to be published. And below that are expiring posts. So you can create a time frame for your post to run and it expires after that date. We're going to talk about pre-scheduling posts. So I'm going to choose Schedule Posts. And from here, I'm going to choose Create Post. This is how we're going to get started. Scheduling a post is going to look exactly the same as posting directly on your page, and you're going to go through it exactly the same way. The first thing we're going to do is write our post. Here it auto-populates some images from the website, but I want to use my own image, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of those. And instead, I'm going to upload the photo that I want included. So you can see here I have the text, I have the image. And if I scroll down, I have the option to choose how public I want this content to be. I'm going to keep it to public, so anyone on or off of Facebook. And below that, I can choose Schedule Post. It's here that I'm going to set up the publishing schedule. So I am going to choose for it to be published on Friday the 26th at 5:30 p.m. Underneath that is a stop news feed distribution. This might be an option if you want this post to stop running. So say it's a specific promotion, and when that promotion ends, you don't want this showing up in the newsfeed anymore, then you'll select that. Now that I have my date entered, I'm going to select Schedule. And here we can see, when we select Scheduled Posts, the post that we just created. What I like to do is I always like to take a look at the post preview before it goes live, just to make sure that everything is making sense, the grammar's okay, there's no typos, and the image makes a lot of sense and looks great. Below that Actions button with the drop down, we have some additional options that we can move forward with. So we can publish right away by choosing Publish. We can reschedule, so that's going to alter the date. Cancel its schedule. We can even backdate a post. We can delete it, and then we can create an ad out of this specific content. So that's just some additional functionality for the post that's been created and scheduled. Scheduling posts is a really effective way to ensure specific content gets sent out for a specific date. And it's a more efficient way to post on your page. Now that you know how to schedule posts, edit them, backdate them, and play around with the dates, I'd recommend going ahead and starting to schedule some of your own. You'll be really glad you did in the long run.